A very good evening to you, awesome people out there. My name is Rahul Kanyal. I welcome you to another session of Industrial Engineering where we'll be covering more questions. Yesterday we have had a talk about why do we need break-even analysis and what do we get after doing that, all right? And let's get started quickly, okay? A very good evening, Krishna Ram and Mohammed. You have been very consistent and I think that yes, you can make it, okay? And I also hope that you're believing that you can do it, because once you believe, okay, you see things happening, all right? Because belief leads to actions and actions lead to results. Always remember this, guys, all right? A belief system, a very strong belief system is always needed to crack anything or to do really well in this very lifetime, all right? So how are you doing, all of you? Krishna Ram and Mohammed Yasser, two of very consistent players out there, okay? And it's good, right? Consistency is really great. So how has been your journey till now? And just tell me about yourselves, all right? Yeah. So should we get started? Yeah, well, Krishna Ram says, well, just well. Okay, I'll take that. At least you will, okay? So, okay, fine. So, yeah. We should get started, all right? So this isn't working. So can you please try this? Apki bar gate par. Good, Krishna Ram, okay? It's good, yes. Given that you understand things, all right? That makes it really easy. Do one question, understand it completely, rather than 1,000 questions and you not understanding even one thing about those 1,000 questions. All right, so let's get started. Can you please try this, okay? Yeah, so what we have here is selling price is rupees 16 per unit. Variable cost per unit is rupees 12. So selling price small s is given to you like this, rupees 16, all right, per unit. And variable cost per unit small v is given to you like this, rupees 12 per unit, okay? If the annual fixed cost of the firm are estimated as, so FC fixed cost is nothing but 1.2 lakhs, right? 1,20,000, 20,000, 4, 5, yeah. Find the break-even point in units in rupees and as a percentage of capacity if the firm has an estimated capacity of 5,000 units of the product, all right? So can you please try this? Because yesterday, yes, we have had a discussion about this, right? And we said that, okay, profit is nothing but selling price minus total cost. Yes. Now, selling price per unit is given to you like 16 per unit. Let's say X units be sold, okay? X units be sold. So it's going to be S into X minus total cost is nothing but fixed cost plus variable per unit cost is given to you like that, okay? So I'm going to just use these variables over here. So this is the profit statement, all right? Yes. Yeah, Krishna Ram is good. It's good that, yeah. So, okay. So break-even point in units, people are calculating like 30,000, right? And in money or in rupees also, right? So yes, people have calculated it. Good. Krishna Ram and Mohammed Yasser. And if I'm adding any value to your life, just like the session, guys, okay? It will be helpful for me. Fine. So we said that, okay, profit, when profit equals to 0, X equals to what? FC upon S minus V, and this X we say as break even point, right? This is the discussion that we were having yesterday, all right? So similarly, we are going to use this formula over here, X equal to FC upon S minus V, all right? So X equals to FC upon S minus V. Fixed cost is nothing but 1,20,000 upon S is 16 minus 12. So this you will be getting as 30,000, right? Yes. Yeah. Okay, Praveen, it's fine. Okay, if you didn't attend yesterday's class, yeah, you will be able to understand this. We are talking, so Praveen, I'm replying to you. Okay, so we are talking about break-even analysis, and this is nothing but profit equal to selling price minus total cost. Selling price, let X units be sold, we said. So selling price of X units is going to be small s into X. All right, so small x is nothing but selling price per unit. Okay, and small v is nothing but variable cost per unit. Okay, this is very easy stuff. If you didn't tune to us yesterday, you can tune it here, right? So yeah. Okay, good. So how many of you gave CIL, guys, and how was the paper? Yeah, so how many of you gave CIL, and how much should be the, and how was the paper? Yeah, so Muhammad says, Achha, your exam is tomorrow. Okay, fine. Good. Okay, chalo, let's see. I tend to forget all these dates. Okay, I'm not very much a person into dates, a factful person, right? So let's see. So we have break-even units as 30,000 units. What does this mean? Okay, just tell me what is the meaning of this 30,000 units. What is the meaning of this? Can you please just type in, guys? Just type in, okay? So what is the meaning of this 30,000 units? Okay. Can you please type in your options, your responses? Just guys. No loss, no profit. Krishnaram, that's a child's definition. Okay. Don't take it very seriously, but yeah. I was expecting more of the obviously you have calculated this. What does it mean? What does break-even point or X equals to 30,000? That is nothing but units, right? Mean. So just type in, guys, what is the meaning of 30,000 units? We have had a discussion about this yesterday. Can you please type in? Arey yaar, you didn't get this. Okay, fine. So what it means is we should produce at least 30,000 units, or not at least, okay? We should produce more than 30,000 units in order to make profit. This is what is the meaning of this 30,000, right? So you should understand these things, guys. Otherwise, just solving questions, I don't think that's going to help you. Okay, so that is what is the meaning of this 30,000. Okay, fine. Now, in rupees, you need to find out, right? So yesterday, actually, we have had a graph like this. So I'm going to just delete this for you to make it less clumsy. Yesterday we talked about a graph like this. All right, so we said that, okay, this is selling price and this is selling price, and let's say this is total cost. All right, so this thing here, from here to here, is nothing but break-even point in rupees. All right, and this is, let's say, X or units. All right, and this thing obviously is price or cost is in y-axis. Okay, and this you have already found out. Okay, I'm not going to write X over here, and I'm going to instead write units over here. Okay, and this is the break-even point, right? So this is what you need to find, and we have had a discussion that break-even point in rupees equals to small s into X, because this is the total selling price at X, right? So what we are going to do is small s is nothing but 16 and X is nothing but 30,000. So you're going to get how much? 48,000. 4,80,000. Yes. Hello. Yeah. So Krishnaram is correct. Mohammed is also correct. All right. And it's good that you guys are here. Still, tomorrow you have a paper, but still, yes, that shows that you are consistent over here. All right. Yeah. Good. Is it good? So that is it. And percentage of capacity. Did you find it? Could you find this? And as a percentage of capacity. So what is the meaning of that? As a percentage of capacity, guys, I'm not going to do everything here. I'm not going to spoon feed you. Just tell me. What is the meaning of percentage of capacity? Can you please tell me? Anyone can please tell what is the meaning of this? All right. So what is it asking for is not understood. Okay, so capacity is given to you as 50,000 units. All right, capacity means that. What is the meaning of capacity? So firstly, let's talk about capacity. All right, so what is the meaning of capacity? This term over here. Just type in your own options, guys. All right, just type in your options, right? So what is the meaning of capacity? Let's say we say that capacity of truck is this many units. Capacity of truck is, let's say, 200 kgs. Let's say, I'm not sure I'm right or not. Is that about storage or inventory? No, that's not inventory. Praveen. So capacity means maximum 50,000 units can be made by firm. All right, maximum value that can be made is 50,000. Made means produced. All right, that's what it is. Okay, now so percentage of capacity means that this as a percentage of capacity you need to find. This means the break-even point. Okay, so that is nothing but 30,000 upon 50,000 into 100. That is what is the percentage of capacity, right? And let me tell you that you also need to work in your English, okay? Because if you don't understand what is being asked here, there's no point, right? People say that, okay, teach in Hindi or some other language. That's not going to serve you because the question paper is going to be in English, right? Number of product given far away from BEP. No, we are just talking about this percentage of capacity, all right? So that is nothing but this 30,000 above 50,000 into 100, that is 60%, right? Is it good? Yes? Yes. So guys, just also work on your English. And even if you are getting selected in PSU, let's say, okay, if you are going to IIT Bangalore or IIT Bombay, there no one is going to talk to you in Hindi. Let me tell you that, okay? No one is going to talk to you in Hindi. So work on this right now. Otherwise, if you lose 2 marks just because you could not understand, question, that is not worth it, okay? And yes, we'll also talk about how it can be done. Okay, so that is 60%. Okay, now what do we need to find? Margin of safety. So can you just understand margin of safety? Can you just understand what should be the margin of safety? Can anyone type in there, even if you don't know this? All right, okay, if you don't know this, even if can you just think what might be the margin of safety? All right, chalo, can you just think? Because my job is to make you think. My job is not write down questions over here and make you understand. No, it's not. Okay, so in context of inventory, in context of break-even analysis, what should be the margin of safety? That is the question. All right, and sometimes most people don't make it because they don't understand. Okay, the English is so weak. All right, the point that the product will not waste too much. Okay, yes, exactly. So Krishna is actually right. He says that more quantity than BEP. All right, so again I'm going to make this not like this. Let's say this is selling price, let's say this is total cost. All right, so X, at least you should produce X, right? At least you should produce X, otherwise you're going to get out of business. You're going to be thrown out of business because you are not going to make profit. Is that it? Yes, just understand this. Okay, don't cram formulas and all. You need to understand this. So how much more you should make from this? How much more you should make from this? Let's say you made Y. Okay, then Y minus X is the margin of safety. Okay, because you are safer by this amount. You are, let's say, safer by this amount. Are you getting this? You're safer by this amount. Why safer? Because you don't want to get to the left side of this point. You don't want to produce less than X because you won't make profit then. All right, so here you have given that your maximum is this thing, 50,000. So margin of safety is nothing but 50,000 minus break-even points, that is 30,000. All right, so that is nothing but no, it's not in, yeah, so it's nothing but 20,000. So you are safer by 20,000 units. That's what it means. Okay, is that good? Yes. So Krishna, you were correct. Okay, and yeah, Lucky, can you repeat and explain? Yeah, Lucky, don't ask me to repeat this. Okay, we'll take similar question in the next example. All right, I'm really sorry about it, but yeah, because others are also waiting for it. If I keep on repeating, I suggest be on time, Lucky. All right, and it's always that you can go back and watch this video again. Don't feel bad. All right, chalo. So for next, okay, so can you please do this quickly? Lucky, now let's see if you can do this. Okay, this is an easier version of the last question. So if you can do this, it'll give me immense happiness. Okay, chalo. So can you please do this? Can you please try this? Now again, you know, I've deliberately put this question because it's not very straightforward if you read this. Okay, firstly you need to understand what is being asked. What do you have to calculate, right? Without a very good communication skill, without a very good English, it becomes really difficult, guys. Okay, so I suggest that also work on your English. Okay, no matter what people say, no matter what they are saying. Okay, so what is it? Find out the price of the product. Okay. So Krishna Ram has already given an answer, and let's see if you guys can do this. Okay. Yes, Lucky, actually yesterday we had covered these theories. Okay, if you joined us, then you could have followed it. All right, but yes, yesterday we could have done that, or not we could have, we actually did that. Okay, so selling price is 35. People are saying 35. Okay, can you please write in the unit of whatever you are telling? What is this 35? What is the unit of this 35? That is what I call understanding. So what is 35? Because 3 people told that, okay, it's 35. Krishna told it's 35. Satyakant told it's 35. Mohammed also told it's 35. What 35? So just, you know, tell me, okay, don't just write 35 out there. Okay, so what is 35? What is the unit of 35? Yes, exactly. So Satyakant, yes, exactly. selling cost per unit, he says. Okay, fine. So let's do this firstly, then we will discuss about this. Firm is of this is the break-even point. All right, the fixed cost is rupees 50,000. The variable cost per unit is this. So break-even point is given to you like this, rupees 5,000. Okay, fixed cost is given to you like this. What is that? Rupees 50,000. All right, the variable cost per unit, small v, is rupees 25 per unit. Find out the price of the product, he says. Okay, yeah, so price of the product. So firstly, let's write the formula of break-even point, that is fixed cost upon S minus V. So S minus V equals to fixed cost upon break-even point. What is fixed cost? That is 50,000 upon break-even point, that is 5,000. So it becomes 10. All right, so S equals to 10 plus small v. Small v is nothing but 25. So this is rupees 35 per unit. Okay, yes, because it says that find out the price of the product. Now, is this the correct answer, the small s that you calculated? Is this the correct answer? How do you know it's the correct answer? How do you know that it's not capital S? How do you know it's capital S, that is small x into x? So I'm going to write this. Selling price, total selling price is nothing but small x, s into x, right? X is nothing but number of units. Yes, so how do you know that this is the correct answer? Because yes, I agree that you have calculated whatever you can calculate, right? That's why you said that, okay, it's going to be 35. The answer is going to be 35. So let's discuss about this, guys. This is the understanding, okay, that we need to have. Otherwise, nah, it's difficult. Okay, so is this clear? Just think about it. Why do you say that this is correct and this is not correct? So can you think about this just 1 minute? Can you just think about it? Yeah, 7500 units to produce profit of, okay, we will do that. Okay, we'll do the next question. Obviously we can do that. Yes, profit and all those things, we can do that. The question here is that, what do you say that this is the correct answer? Yes, you can solve the questions, but we are not talking about solving questions over here. We are talking about understanding. Without understanding, it's impossible, guys. Okay, so let me tell you. Okay, fine. So obviously selling price is dependent on X, right? It's a variable. Selling price is a variable, right? And here it says that find out the price of the product. So price of the product, when it says, so we just have one constant over here, that is small s. All right, 35 rupees 35 per unit. That's why the answer should be 35 rupees 35 per unit. Could you understand this? Could you understand this? Why 35 should be the answer? Otherwise, it should have been find out the price of the product for let's say break even is 5,000. Let's say for 6,000 sales. Okay, then you would have calculated this SP. Are you getting that? Can you please calculate this? If I tell you that, okay, find out the price of the product for 600 sales. So can you please now tell me what should be the answer? Yeah, Rahul, a very good evening. All right, now what should be the answer? Okay, my job is to open your mind, guys. All right, yes, so Vivek says that it has to be yeah, Vivek is right. Okay, exactly. So that's going to be what? Come on guys, more options. Just type in your options there. 21,000. Praveen also said 21,000. Okay, fine. So at this point of time, if this would be the statement of the question, it would be nothing but selling price equals to S into X, right? S we have already calculated. So that is rupees 35 into X is nothing but 6,000. Calculate this. That's your answer. Yes? Agreed, I or an I. Okay, just type in there, so that we can move forward. Okay, 6,000 there. Praveen, that is 6,000. Okay, 6,000 sales. So number of units sold equals to 6,000. All right, that is what is the meaning of this. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Then how much the firm should produce to earn profit? Profit is given like this: 25,000 equals to, what is profit? That is selling price minus total cost, right? So selling price, how much the firm should produce. Okay, so let's say that let X units be produced. Actually, it should have been sold here, okay? But yes, for the sake of examination, okay? Yeah, for the sake of examination, we say that, okay, whatever is produced is sold, all right? So, selling price is nothing but S, small s into X, okay, minus total price. Total cost is fixed cost plus variable cost, so that is also V into X. You just need to find X, okay? Just plug in all the values. What are you getting? So that is nothing. Small s is how much? 35, right? So 35x minus fixed cost is nothing but 50,000 plus V into X, that is 25x. Is it good? Yes. So if you solve all of these, what you will get is 10x equals to 25, 75, 1, 2, 3. So X equals to 7500 units. All right. So this is in units. Is that good? Yes. Yes. If I told 600, I beg your pardon, guys. Okay, it should be 6,000, but I think that you understood what I meant. Is that good? Yes. Okay, fine. So let's take the next question. Okay. Now this is a bit tricky question, all right? And this is a very common sense question. So let's see if you can do this, all right? Chalo, let's do this. Can you please try this in 5 minutes till 9:35? Can you please try this? So yes, yeah, good, all of you. Sunil, Ankit, Krishna, good to see you. Okay, Praveen, you have been you know, very consistent players out here. Okay, chalo. So what is meaning of that, Sunil? Not seen. What is not seen? He's saying that not seen. So what is the meaning of not seen? Okay. Okay, so can you please try this and just try to do this, okay? And let me tell you that just go for, if you're not very comfortable, if you're not understanding anything, go for the units, okay? Go for the units to understand what is being asked. For example, machine rate per hour is nothing but 500 rupees. So that might tell you, you know, it's a cost, right? In 1 hour, the cost of A is 500 So kind of that, okay? So can you please just make it out yourself? Acha, okay. Okay, Sunil. So I'm standing in front of the question, so I'll get out. Good. So Ankit says that 16016, that's I think too much, Ankit, okay? Can you please check your calculations again? Can you please check your calculations? 16016 to me, I think it's too much. Maybe, okay, maybe. Let's see. Let's see, all right? Let's see. 2000 again, okay? So what do you need to find? Firstly, could you understand what you need to find? Batch size. So, okay. So this is what you need to find, okay? So just give it a thought, guys. Again, can you please recheck your answers? Manbendra and Ankit, can you please go back and recheck or review your options, whatever you are given, all right? Maybe you made some mistake, or let's say again, if you're confident, just be confident, okay? Don't listen to me or anyone else. You should believe in your option. Okay, so is there anyone who could solve this? Is there anyone who could solve this? Okay, so you have 4 more minutes, all right? Because I had given you 5 minutes. And yes, 4 more minutes. Let's wait. And setup time, obviously this is time because it's given in minutes. Per piece machining time. So machine time or machining time required for 1 piece, that is nothing but 40 in case of A, and that is 8 in case of B. All right. Now machine rate, this is nothing but cost. More economical to use. So we are talking about cost, right? More economical. So somehow we are going to machine A, Kisnaram says. No, break even above is, no, you need to give me the answer, Kisna, all right? You just need to give me the answer for this. So what should be the batch size above which the machine B will be more economical to use? Means that B will have total cost lesser than A. Can you solve with linear programming by making question? Linear programming, I don't think. This is very straightforward, all right? So 13934, so much of cost. But why cost? Sunil, we are going to find this batch size. So, okay, let me solve it for you then. Do you want more time? If you want more time, then yes, it can be done, okay? But, okay, let's say you have 30 more seconds. Then after 30 more seconds, I'm going to give it to you guys, all right? So, Mohammed, it's just, very straightforward. No need, okay, fine. So, Praveen says, I don't know, okay? So, oh, I think the question is not clear. Kisna, we are going to find, okay, let's say, okay, let me solve it for you. Batch size equals to, let batch size equals to X. Now, okay, this is what we need to find, all right? Now, you just think about whatever things that you can calculate in a question, okay? So, what can you calculate in a question? So, per piece machining time is 40. So for A, I'm going to write, okay? Okay, so for 1 piece, machining time is 40. For X pieces, it's going to be 40X. This machining time we are talking about. Okay, and setup time is 50. So total time is nothing but 40X plus 50. Okay, and okay, so 40X plus 50. For A, we are writing total time equals to 40x plus 50. Okay, now total cost for A. Can anyone write total cost for A? Total time I have given for A. Can you please write total cost for A machine? Can anyone type in there using this information? Just 3 parameters are there. Okay, and this obviously is in minutes. Can you please type in there? Can you please type in the total cost for A? Just type in, guys. I'm waiting for you. Let's see if you can do this. No, because total time is this one. So can you please tell me what should be Ankit, just hold on. Okay, fine. So this is the total time. Machining rate per hour is 500 rupees. Okay. So it means that in 1 hour, the cost is 500 rupees. So in this minutes, how much should be the cost? So that should be 40x plus 50 upon 60 converted into hour. Okay. Into 40x plus 50 upon 60 into 500, right? Yes or no? Yes. So Kisna is correct. 40x plus 50 into 500 upon 60. Yeah, good Kisna, good. That is what I was looking at. Okay, well done. Is that good? Hello? That is good, right? Okay, similarly for B, I can write total cost like this. Similarly, what should be the total cost for B? Just type in, guys, okay? Yeah, so 500 into 500 upon 60. It should be upon 60, okay? Mohammed, I think you made a typing error out there. So similarly for B, can you please write not the total cost? We have written total cost over here. Machine rate per hour. Machine rate per hour. We need to find the cost, Muhammad, alright? Because we need to find which one is more economical, which one has lesser cost. Okay, yeah, so Krishna says that it has to be 16 plus 8x, yes, 16 plus 8x upon, okay, fine, so let me write it, okay. So that is going to be 8x plus 16 upon 60 into 2000, right? That's what is total cost of B. Yes, so 8x plus 16 upon 60 into 2000. Yeah, Praveen, you're also right. Okay, now let's compare these two. Okay, and why are we comparing it? Obviously, we need to find a point, right? If you don't compare it, how can you get a common value of x? Okay, so let's compare this. So whatever we have derived, let's write them upon. Okay, so again, what I'm going to do is equals to, I'm going to type in this value, okay, 40x, this whole value I'm going to write here, 40x plus 50 upon 60 into 500. So what's the value of x are you getting? What is the value of x? If you solve these two, what is the value of x that you're getting? All right, so just tell me the answer. Just tell me the answer, guys, okay? Yeah, Tarun, yes, you also right upon, I think, yes, you're right. Good. Sunil also good. Krishna, Mohammed, all right, good, good. At least you're grasping these. All right. So, can you please tell me what is the value of x that you're getting? Just tell me, guys, okay? Because I like to keep on asking the students to solve everything. My job is to tell you, okay, this is the way, you are going to do a goal, but the work you need to do. How much x? Is it 3? Is it 3? So can you please tell me? Praveen says it's 3 if you solve this. Muhammad says it's 14 upon 8. So what is the value there, Muhammad? Okay, what is the value there? So what is the value? Don't say 14 upon 8. Just at least tell me what is the answer. X equals to what? So Mohammed, is that your final answer? 1.75? So what is the answer? Sunil Agrihotri, about 2 is not an answer, okay? Just tell me an answer. Because it's a dash 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 question, right? You need to fill in this. So what is the answer? That means x equals to, now here the trick comes up, right? So what is that? X is nothing but 1.75, right? But can you have a 1.75 batch size? No, right? So the answer should be 2. It cannot be 1.75, right? Batch size. Can you have a batch size of 1.75? No, right? So it should be 2. Is it clear? No? Because X represents units, right? How can you have 1.75 units, right? Yeah, Sunil, I think this is clear to you. Okay. Okay, chalo, theek hai, good. Now you can check, you can go back home. If you put, okay, if you put x equals to 3, so what it says it, machine B will be more economical. So this cost should come lesser. If you put x equals to 3, all right, you can go back home and try this, all right. See it yourself. Otherwise, the question is wrong. Okay, it should have been A if it's not coming, all right. But you got the concept how to proceed ahead, all right. Now, what did you learn from this question, guys? Okay, that's very important. Okay, you have solved it. It's not really very important, but yeah, what did you learn? That's important, guys. Okay, so just type in whatever your learning is through this question. Okay, so can you please just write it? What is your learning? Because this is a common sense question, all right? And this year also you saw so many common sense questions in industrial engineering. And let me tell you, a rank is determined by these questions, common sense questions. Because everyone can solve very easy question, right? So what did you learn? Just type in, guys, I'm waiting for you. I want to listen. Nandan, I also want to attend GATE exam. Yes, please attend that, Nandan. If you want to, please go for it. Who is stopping you? Don't stop yourself. Okay, below 2, A is more efficient. Below 2, A is, what about more than 2? Kisnaram. Okay, now you are not telling me, I don't have, you found that I don't have, no, Praveen, it's fine, okay. Common sense is not that very common. Okay, so what did we learn through this? Use units, all right. If you're not understanding a machining rate, what is this? Okay, it's already given. Rupees per hour is 500. So rupees per hour, what can that be? It can be price, it can be cost, right? It can be profit. So in this case, because we are talking about economical, so that has to be cost. All right, that has to be cost. Okay, so Nandan, if you want to join GATE exam, you can join us, all right, and you can see it yourself for free. The trials I have started already. Okay, so yes, you can tune it, and you can also get the description or the link in the description. All right, then obviously our team is going to help you. Yes, exactly. So Krishnaram, I think that is clear. Okay, if you put x equal to 3 in this, so B should be this cost, total cost of B, this whole thing, it should be lesser than the right hand side of this, and that's what is the meaning of this. Okay, yeah, Pramin, don't worry about that. Okay, common sense and all things, we all make silly mistakes, even I also make mistakes, all right. Yes, so is it good? Is it good? Yes. Okay, fine. So yeah, for tomorrow I just want to tell you that okay, so this is a question, another question, so we'll discuss it. Maybe tomorrow we are going to discuss it again, or maybe tomorrow we don't have okay, let's do this here. Okay, can you please try this? Can you please try this? Okay, let's see if you can do it. Let's discuss this. Try to finish it in 10 minutes. Can you please try this? So first read it and try to understand. The first point is to try to understand it, and obviously we need good English to understand it. Okay, so don't neglect English. Even if you are selected in IIT Bombay, you will be asked to make a presentation in English always. So many presentations. Okay, if you go to PSU, obviously presentations, and they are going to be in English. And if you want promotions, if you want impact, you have to have a good communication. Without that, it's difficult. Okay, then here, what are we up to? So this is given to you. Okay, this information is given to you. Okay, fixed cost, and this one is for present. New machine. Okay, fine. So this one is for present machine. Present machine. Okay, so okay, so we just need to find if new machine should be purchased or not. All right, so for this, can you calculate break-even point? Right, can you calculate break-even point for this, for first machine, and also calculate profit if there's a profit? Yes, so just calculate break-even point. That is nothing but fixed cost upon S minus V, right? So can you please tell me, fixed cost is given to you, and this V is given to you. All right, S is also given to you like this. All right, so just plug in these values. So what do we get? 2123 upon S is nothing but rupees 30 minus this is 20. So what we have is 20,000. Right? Yes, 20,000. Yes. So is it going to make profit? Is it going to make profit? Okay. Yeah, Mungesh Kumar. Yes, please. Yes, this is eligible to you. Okay, Mungesh Kumar, we are doing mechanical engineering only here. All right. So yeah, this is only mechanical. So is it going to make profit? Yes or a no? Yes or a no? Yeah, Sunil says yes. Good. Yes, it's going to make profit because expected annual sales is 30,000, which is greater than 20,000, right? So obviously we are going to sell more than break-even point. So obviously we are going to make a profit. So can you please find profit? Profit is nothing but selling price minus total cost. Yes. What is selling price? At this unit, let's say, is X equals to 30,000 units. So small s is nothing but 30. So this is 30 into 30,000. All right. Minus total cost is nothing but fixed cost plus variable cost. So fixed cost is this one. That is 2 lakh. 3, 4, 5 plus variable cost is 20 per unit. So 20 into 30,000. Okay, 30,000. Yes. So can you please calculate this? Yeah. So profit is nothing but 1 lakh. Krishna Ram says that profit is, yeah. So profit is nothing but 1 lakh. All right. Okay. Is it 1 lakh? Okay. Krishna is really very quick. Yes. Fine. Okay, can you please tell me, okay, profit is nothing but 1 lakh. Similarly, this is rupees 1 lakh, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so 1 lakh, okay? Then can you please also find the same parameters, break-even point and profit for second machine? Right, and it says that variable cost decreases by 15%. So what do we say? We say that, okay, for second machine, small v decreases by 15% per unit, right? So that is nothing but 0.85 of 20, right? That's what is the meaning of that, of 20. So you just calculate that. So that will come out to be 17 per unit. Okay, and what it says, okay, so installation of new machine is expected to reduce variable cost, but is likely to add rupees 60,000 to the existing fixed cost. So now the fixed cost is 2 lakh, so FC becomes 2,60,000. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that is fixed cost. Okay, fine. And what is okay, no other change, and it's also assumed that no other change will take place. So selling price is going to be same, okay, and annual sales are going to be same as well. So selling price is nothing but S, small s is nothing but rupees 30. Okay, if I'm going to again check it, if it's 30, yes, that is 30, and X equals to, let's say, 30,000. Okay, can you please also find break-even point for this second machine scenario? Okay, that is nothing but fixed cost upon S minus V. So fixed cost is nothing but 260000 upon, okay, what is that, S minus C? It has to be S minus V. All right, so S minus V is going to be 30 minus 17. All right, that is 13. So this is going to be what, 20,000. Yes, so here we were also getting 20,000, here also we are getting 20,000. That's good. Yeah, good, Sunil. Yes, yes. Yeah, so Nandan Kumar, yes, so our team actually can give you a link. All right, you can just try it if you want to join us. Okay, if you are talking about joining us, okay, I'm assuming that you are talking about joining us. Okay, Nanda Kumar. Okay, so our team can give you a link, or maybe you can go down and there you can find a link. Go to that link and register. Right, this is what I can tell you. Fine. So now here, profit is nothing but what? Selling price minus total cost. Now selling price, small s, how much is the small s? That is 30. So that is 30 into 30,000. Yes, minus total cost is nothing but fixed cost. So 2608. Okay, 2,60,000. Yes, plus variable cost. What is variable cost? Small v is 17 per unit. So 17 into 30,000. 30,000. How much are you getting? 30,000. 2, 3, 4, 5, 17 into 30. So what's the value that you're getting? Okay. Yeah, Kisna, it's good that you have calculated it. Can you please tell me what is the value of this? So profit is 1,30,000. Is that it? Is it 1,30,000? Come on, guys. Yeah, so that is 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 5. Yes, so profit is 1,30,000. Okay, yeah. So which one of these will you prefer? Break-even point is same, 20,000, 20,000, and here the profit in the second case 1,30,000, and in the first case it would be 1 lakh, right? Yes. So which one will you prefer? Machine A or machine B? If you are Mukesh Kumar, if you are talking about regular classes will start at 7 p.m. okay, Mukesh Kumar. So which one do you want, first machine or the second machine? Come on. Yes, the second one. Obviously it's giving a better profit for the same break-even point. Now for the last comment, tell me what is this meaning of 20,000. Just tell me, okay, because that's the crux of this. Okay, so can you please tell me? Yes, so obviously second machine is better, but can you please tell me what is the meaning of this 20,000, okay, so that I can sleep with peace and satisfaction that you guys understood this. Okay, come on, what is the meaning of this 20,000? Fir again same thing, Sunil. I was expecting a better explanation, Sunil, but at least yes, you have told it. Now can you think a better explanation? You're saying okay, 20,000, no profit and no loss, okay. Yes, exactly. So Mohammad's right. Just forget about these words, okay, no profit, no loss. Just take them out of your dictionary. You need 20,000 units to sell if you want to make profit. Not exactly. You need to make more than 20,000 units to make profit. That is what is the meaning of this 20,000, okay? I'm going to repeat it, okay? That you need to make more than, make means you need to sell more than 20,000 units to make profit. Yes, exactly, Ankit, okay? Just forget about these no profit, no loss. That's not how an engineering student speaks, all right? I think this is clear, okay? Is it good? Hello? So yeah, if you're talking about the first data, Mangesh, I think, wants to see the first data, okay? So this is for the first machine, all right? First machine is for this, and obviously the second machine we are getting more profit, so we are going to opt for second machine, right? ठीक है. Now I'm done with this. We have Vision 2021 batch 2 that has already been started. You can tune it, okay, and you can go there and see. If you like us, okay, then only join, okay, and the batches have started. You can see, or you can go to the classroom, and right now also a class from heat and mass transfer is going on, okay. You can go there and see if you can join us or not. Otherwise you can have your own option, right? You can choose your life, and we also have some discounts like this. And for more information, you can call at this number or drop a mail at this email ID, okay guys? So I'm going to again say to you or pray for you, you know, be blessed by the divine, all right, and keep on smiling, keep on believing. Yes, I can do that, I can do that. I'll see you again, I think tomorrow. Yes, so till then, you know, be happy, keep on smiling, keep on believing, and keep on dreaming, okay? Yeah, so Mukesh, sorry, okay, Mukesh. So how many classes? Actually, you know, we have just started this Vision 22 batch 2, all right? You just started this Vision 2021 batch 2, all right? And no class is finished, okay? Okay, so that's what it is, all right? So so you can join, and it's always better to join earlier the better, all right? So that's what I have to tell you. Now that's your choice if you want to join it or not, okay? So thank you very much. Sleep well. A very good night. I'm going to see you tomorrow again. Thank you.